Yes, comes Officer Green.
The Vulcan Ambassador. He wishes to speak to you.
Vulcan Ambassador Jaffo is calling for transporter room. Yes, please put him on. Put him on the viewer. Thank you.
Hi, Captain. Put him on screen.
Captain Shepard, I want to say thank you for the hospitality you have given me. I appreciate everything that you have done to make this mission possible.
Vulcan Ambassador, that's great. Have a safe beam down. Have a great life. Live long and prosper.
Captain, that word that you just said, that's not a good word. You need to consult your computers and do research on that there. That's not a good word at all.
What? I just said have a great life and live long and prosper. Is there something wrong?
Captain Shepard, I just want to say thank you very much for your hospitality and the tour of your fine vessel. Thank you very much. Ambassador Jaffo, out.
Vulcan Ambassador Jaffo, I no due respect to you at all. I mean, I've been saying that for years to everybody, and no one's had really said anything to me about it being real bad. But I'll look it up and see, but I'm sorry. So I accept my apologies. I will not say that again. But please, live long and prosper. Take care down there. And very much success to you on your mission. Captain Shepard, out.
Hello, engineering. Oh, it's you. Wow, where you been? I got a heck of a rumor to tell you. Captain Shepard said something wrong to the Vulcan Ambassador Jaffo, and Vulcan Ambassador Jaffo got bent out of shape, and he's gonna file a complaint, and he's gonna contact High Command and try to take all the Vulcans off of Earth and everywhere else. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine one Vulcan ambassador doing that after all the stuff that we all been through and everything? Why would a Vulcan get so upset over one little word? I looked the word up. I don't think it's that bad. I mean, it can be taken either way. It can be taken either way, so I just don't get it. Boy, oh boy, oh boy. I just don't understand. So, hey, we'll talk to you later. Thanks for calling. Appreciate it. And we'll see you later on. Chief Engineer Red, out.
As blocking the way. Quite unnecessary to raise your voice, Mr. Bailey.
Captain, picking up the communications. Starfleet Command. It is Admiral Jim Shepard.
Put him on the viewer. Thank you.
Hi, Captain. Put him on screen.
Captain Shepard. Admiral Jim Shepard here. What is this? I got on my desk a report saying that you are saying wrong things to Vulcan Ambassador Jaffo. He stated on the report that you told him, have a great life, live long and prosper. I didn't think that was bad. But according to the ambassador, it is. It's bad. It is really bad. So, watch what you say around the Vulcans. And I'm pretty sure you are working on an apology letter as we speak. But Vulcan Ambassador Jaffo wants to end the membership with the Federation and pull the Vulcans out. And it's like, we can't have that. There ain't no way. We need the Vulcans a lot. We really need them for guidance and everything that they have. I mean, they've been around a lot longer than we have. But I can tell you a little secret, though. Shh, a little secret here. Vulcan Ambassador Marco might be his replacement. He's on Vulcan right now, and he might be contacting you. So if he does, be nice to Vulcan Ambassador Marco and watch what you say. Man, oh man, oh man. I don't know what to tell you, but that's about it. So take care, Captain, and do keep up the good work that you're doing over there. Admiral Jim Shepard, out.
Aye, aye, Admiral.
Captain Shepard, out. Captain's log, supplemental. I said something crazy to the Vulcan ambassador, Jaffo. All I said was, have a great life, live long and prosper. And man, he got ticked at me. Boy, did he get ticked at me. He told me to consult my computers, which are working on it right now, as you hear in the background there. They wants me to consult my computers to find out what it is. Well, I looked it up, and it's like, I don't really think it's that bad of a word to say, but he got so ticked over one couple words. So, I do know that it's getting back to Starfleet Command, and I know that Ambassador Jaffo will be contacting the Vulcan High Command. So I hope they will accept my apology. I've been working on one, and I'll be sending it out shortly. So I hope things kind of get smoothed out a little bit, but I think he overreacted. I really think he overreacted. I mean, it's like wearing a green shirt on the bridge and wearing a command shirt in my quarters here. Things change. It never stays the same. Things always change. But, yeah, I think he overreacted. So, we'll wait and see what happens. But I did get a word or wind that another ambassador might be contacting me, so we'll see what happens. So, alrighty then. In a personal log by Captain Duke Shepard.
Very interesting. Very interesting. Commander Sparks' personal log. I don't understand what's going on. The Vulcan ambassador is upset over a word. A word that really don't mean anything at all. But the ambassador is very upset over that word. And I find it highly illogical to be that upset and try to destroy the reputation between the Vulcans and the humans. I do not know why that the Vulcan ambassador wants to do that. It's not logical at all. It is so highly illogical for the ambassador to be that way. The way I look at it, it might be time for a recall for the ambassador to go back to Vulcan, and maybe another ambassador to be assigned to Earth. I might contact my father and see what he says about this situation. But it is illogical for that to happen. Vulcans should know better. We are trained to not to get upset over things, especially dealing with the humans. Go through a lot of training, and it's highly illogical for this to happen. Commander Sparks, log, personal log, out.
Captain's Log Supplemental. My good friend, Captain Shepard, got himself in a little bit of a mess. He was talking to the Vulcan ambassador, and he said a phrase when he was signing off that had a word in there that offended the Vulcan ambassador. I think the Vulcan ambassador overreacted just a little bit. So Captain Shepard's going to be apologizing, and I'm sure he's going to have to apologize for a while, but I'm hoping everything works out well for Captain Shepard. This is Captain Mark, commanding USS Crytek. Out.
This is Captain George Dillon, temporary in command of the USS Revenge. I just got a report through my communications here. Captain Duke Shepard insulted an ambassador on his last mission. Duke, man, I didn't know you'd do something like that. But you know, it's up to you to solve this. I'm not going to jump all over you and all that stuff about it, but we all make mistakes. And we got to learn from our mistakes. And I think you might want to apologize to this ambassador and to be sincere. I know you can do it. But I'm going to leave it with you. So, we're en route to K2 Station. Take on supplies. This is Captain George Dillon. Out.